Enjoying the great outdoors, what you need to know about camping. If you love the great outdoors, Mother Nature, and the smell of fresh air, nothing will please you more than a nice camping trip. But, there are some things you need to know about camping before going on your trip. This video will give you the best camping tips around. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. While you have this vision of a fun-filled camping trip, many times scrapes and cuts just seem to come with all that fun. Be sure you take a first aid kit with you into nature because accidents just happen, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Hopefully, it will stay packed safely away, but you will have the peace of mind that you are prepared if something does happen. If you are interested in camping, and you are new to the activity, then you should never start out alone. It can be quite dangerous if you don't know what you are doing, so it is important to bring along an experienced friend to help you learn the ropes. Take along a box with essential supplies when you go camping. Include things like stick matches, a flashlight, cooking tools and hand cleaner. Prepare in advance. Think about all the things you might need days before you leave on your trip, especially if you will be far from any store. In conclusion, going on a camping trip is for you, if you enjoy being outdoors. But, it's crucial that you are properly prepared for your trip if you want to have a good time. The tips this video has provided you with can be used to help you have the best camping trip ever. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.